I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the console and separating the Joy-Con or unplugging the Pro controller. This prevents accidental inputs and short circuits. Once done, place the controller face down on a clean mat. Use a small Phillips to remove any visible screws. If none, locate the seam. Then insert a plastic spudger gently and pry along the edge to start lifting the cover. Move slowly so clips release rather than break. You want controlled pressure, not brute force. Once the cover is slightly lifted, continue around the perimeter and release clips one at a time. You'll feel small snaps as they disengage. As you open, keep an eye on ribbon cables that connect buttons and sticks. If they tuck under the cover, don't pull. Flip the cover back to access connectors. Use tweezers to lift tiny locking tabs and gently slide ribbons out when needed. If screws become visible, remove them and keep them in order so reassembly is straightforward and accurate. You now separate the cover fully and inspect internals, cleaning dust with compressed air or a soft cloth. Reconnect any ribbon cables by sliding them into their connectors and locking the tabs. Make sure the battery sits correctly. Before snapping everything closed, power on briefly to test buttons and sticks so you can fix misalignments early. Once good, press the cover back into place until clips engage and replace screws. If a section is stubborn, warm the seam for 10 to 15 seconds and try again. Don't force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.